Something unthinkable is brewing deep within the electric vehicle world, and it's not coming from Silicon Valley, Germany, or Japan. It's China's BYD, and in 2025, it's preparing to unleash an innovation so bold, so disruptive, that it could shatter the rules of the EV game forever. Forget what you know about fast, efficient, or luxurious. This breakthrough redefines all three at once. In an industry where giants have gotten comfortable, BYD is about to flip the table with a radical technology that feels almost impossible until you see the numbers. A revolution is accelerating, and it's hiding under the hood of something no one expected. Buckle up. The era of slow evolution is over. What BYD is about to reveal could obliterate the old electric vehicle order and reshape the future of driving before anyone else can catch up. The revolution begins. The global auto industry is witnessing a seismic shift, and leading that charge is none other than BYD. Known initially for its affordable electric vehicles, BYD is no longer content with simply dominating the entry-level EV market. Instead, it is aggressively moving into high-performance segments traditionally ruled by legacy giants like Porsche, BMW, and Audi. With new technologies that push the limits of speed, efficiency, and innovation, BYD is reshaping perceptions, proving that cutting-edge performance and advanced engineering aren't exclusive to Western automakers anymore. At the heart of this revolution is BYD's ambitious expansion into ultra-luxury and high-performance vehicles under its premium brands like Yangwang and Denza. The launch of the Yangwang U7 sedan marks a bold statement. BYD is not just playing catch-up, it is setting new benchmarks. With innovations like a flat-4 turbocharged Boxer engine paired with a quad-motor hybrid system, the U7 isn't just aiming to compete with vehicles like the Porsche Panamera or Audi e-tron GT, it's aiming to surpass them in engineering uniqueness and real-world performance. This move hints that BYD's ambitions go far beyond mass-market dominance. This amidst the Yangwang brand also places BYD in the limelight, especially with its Han L and Tang L family SUVs, which are now endowed with record-setting EV motors producing 580 kilowatts at a breathtaking 30,511 revolutions per minute (RPM). While their supercar-level performance shows that the performance era for BYD is not only for the elite class, it is now going to do all the democratization of speed and efficiency and technological advancement, and the ripples across the industry could be far-reaching. The question, then, is how would BYD's competitors respond gallantly to its counterpart, which delivers affordability along with unmatched engineering? That blurring line between high-end luxury and cheaper performance makes BYD's unconventional strategy a signal for a new beginning, for not only the company but really the future of automotive innovation, so clearly. Are we witnessing the dawn of BYD as the world's most influential automaking company, not just in EV sales but in redefining what performance itself means? If the recent technological breakthroughs have anything to go by, then old automotive powerhouses have a serious competitor on their hands, and for once, the revolution is not being spearheaded from Germany, Japan, or California, it is being driven out of China. But if you think BYD's revolution stops there, just wait until you see what they tucked under the hood of their next game-changer. Introducing the Yangwang U7. When BYD announced the Yangwang U7, the automotive world took notice, not just because it was another luxury EV, but because of what was under the hood. In a surprising departure from its typical powertrains, BYD equipped the U7's plug-in hybrid variant with a 2.0-liter turbocharged horizontally opposed Boxer engine, a layout famously used by Subaru and Porsche. This isn't a gimmick. The decision to go with a Boxer engine was strategic, aiming to create a high-performance sedan with an ultra-low center of gravity and exceptional handling characteristics. Pairing that with a quad-motor electric setup catapults the U7 into an entirely new class of performance hybrids. What truly sets the U7 apart is its bold engineering combination, a traditional combustion Boxer engine sitting flat over the drive motor assembly, plus 4 electric motors independently driving each wheel. The combustion engine alone produces 200 kilowatts, but when working in concert with the electric motors, the total system output reportedly exceeds a staggering 1,000 kilowatts. That's territory usually reserved for hypercars, not four-door luxury sedans. While the U7's hybrid version is slightly slower than the full-electric variant, 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.1 seconds compared to 2.9 seconds, its balance of power, refinement, and extended range could offer a more compelling package for real-world performance enthusiasts. It is evident that the Yangwang U7 is BYD's counterattack against established European bigwigs. With specifications and intentions squarely aimed at the likes of Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid, BMW i7 M70, and Audi e-tron GT, the U7 is not just catching up, it intends to leapfrog. The decision concerning the addition of a 52.4 kilowatts per hour battery that can provide an electric-only range of 200 kilometers (CLTC) and a total hybrid driving range of approximately 1,000 kilometers tells us that BYD is designing a sedan that has balanced performance and specification numbers with true usability for both everyday drivability and long-distance travel. No competitor offers any feature that combines pure electric drive with a turbocharged, flat-4 combustion engine. The jury is still out, of course. Will U7's radical setup produce real-world fun that competes with Porsche precision or BMW luxury? And how will buyers from outside China view a high-performance hybrid from a brand associated mostly with affordable EVs? If early engineering data are any indicator, then the Yangwang U7 may become the model that repositions BYD in the global arena, not solely as a value technology leader but an innovator in luxury performance vehicles. The flat revolution. In the world of performance engineering, the choice of engine layout is crucial, and BYD's decision to introduce a turbocharged flat-4 boxer engine in the Yangwang U7 was anything but accidental. The horizontally opposed layout places the pistons flat against each other, lowering the engine's overall profile. This configuration naturally pushes the center of gravity closer to the ground, which directly translates into better cornering stability, sharper handling, and a more planted driving feel. For a performance sedan aiming to challenge Porsche and BMW, achieving this level of balance and agility was non-negotiable. Another significant advantage of the boxer engine design is the reduction of vibration and noise compared to traditional inline or V-shaped engines. In luxury performance vehicles, refinement is just as important as speed, and BYD seems to have understood this perfectly. By opting for a layout that delivers smoother power delivery and quieter operation, the U7 can offer not only raw performance but also the serenity and comfort expected in high-end sedans. BYD has even stated that reducing cabin noise and improving ride comfort were key factors behind their move toward this architecture. There is also a very smart packaging reason for BYD's decision. With this type of engine flat, it sits atop the assembly of the drive motor without raising the height of the vehicle much from its bonnet. This has enabled the U7 to remain sleek in line, maximizing its aerodynamic silhouette along with the impressive drag coefficient rating of just 0.195.